Welcome back to Rev Review, the channel where we explore the world's most iconic and luxurious machines in pure detail, and today we are diving into one of the greatest symbols of automotive luxury ever created, the imagined here in its 2026 presence, refined, timeless, and still unmatched in its class. This car is not just transportation, it is a statement of power, prestige, and absolute comfort, designed for those who believe compromise has no place in luxury. The exterior of the Phantom VII immediately commands respect the moment it enters the frame. Its massive proportions are not aggressive but elegant, standing tall with a presence that feels almost architectural. The long bonnet stretches forward with confidence, crowned by the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy, a symbol recognized worldwide. The upright grille with its polished chrome finish looks more like a royal gate than a car grille, giving the Phantom an unmistakable identity. The body lines are clean and minimal, not designed to chase trends but to remain timeless across decades. Every panel feels hand-finished, every surface perfectly smooth, reflecting light like a mirror. The coach doors, hinged at the rear, open in a theatrical manner, creating a grand entrance whether you are stepping in or stepping out. Massive alloy wheels with self-righting center caps ensure the Rolls-Royce logo always remains perfectly upright, even while driving, a subtle but powerful reminder of attention to detail. As we move inside, the cabin of the Phantom VII feels more like a private luxury lounge than a car interior. The doors close with a soft, vault-like silence, instantly isolating you from the outside world. The leather upholstery is sourced from specially selected hides, processed to feel incredibly soft while maintaining durability for years. The seats are wide, deeply cushioned, and designed for effortless comfort rather than sporty support. Real wood veneers wrap around the cabin, each piece book-matched and hand-polished to perfection. No two Phantoms are exactly the same, as buyers can choose from an extensive range of wood finishes, leather colors, and bespoke options. The dashboard layout is clean and uncluttered, with analog-style dials that feel classic yet refined. The steering wheel feels substantial in your hands, wrapped in the finest leather, giving you a sense of calm control rather than excitement. The rear cabin is where the Phantom VII truly shines. This is a car built primarily for those who prefer to be driven. Rear seats offer limousine-level legroom, allowing passengers to stretch out completely. Optional reclining seats, leg rests, and massage functions turn long journeys into relaxing experiences. The Starlight headliner transforms the roof into a galaxy of tiny fiber optic lights, creating a magical atmosphere during night drives. Rear passengers can enjoy fold-out tables crafted from polished wood, perfect for work or dining on the move. The entertainment system is discreetly integrated, providing screens, premium audio, and seamless connectivity without disrupting the classic aesthetic. Thick carpets, deep enough to sink your feet into, complete the feeling of unmatched luxury. Under the hood, the Phantom VII is powered by a massive V12 engine that prioritizes smoothness over raw aggression. Acceleration is effortless and silent, with power delivered in a calm, wave-like manner rather than a sudden rush. The engine is so well insulated that passengers often cannot tell whether the car is moving fast or slow. The automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, almost imperceptibly, maintaining the serene driving experience Rolls-Royce is known for. This car is not about speed records but about refinement, and in that area, it excels beyond comparison. The suspension system is engineered to glide over imperfections, absorbing bumps and rough roads with ease. Whether cruising on highways or navigating city streets, the Phantom feels like it is floating above the road rather than rolling on it. Driving the Phantom V is a unique experience. From behind the wheel, the size of the car is noticeable, yet surprisingly manageable thanks to excellent visibility and precise steering. The steering is light and smooth, making low-speed maneuvering easier than expected. At higher speeds, the car remains incredibly stable, maintaining composure even over long distances. Road noise, wind noise, and vibrations are almost completely eliminated, creating an environment where conversation remains effortless even at highway speeds. This level of isolation is what truly sets the Phantom apart from all other luxury sedans. When it comes to safety and technology, the Phantom VII includes a range of advanced features designed to protect occupants without being intrusive. Adaptive cruise control, stability systems, high-quality braking components, and advanced driver assistance features work quietly in the background. Rolls-Royce believes luxury should never feel complicated, so technology is designed to serve the experience rather than dominate it. Everything is intuitive, elegant, and refined, matching the overall philosophy of the car. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where exclusivity truly becomes clear. The 2026 interpretation of the Phantom VII sits in a price bracket reserved for the world's elite. The base price alone places it among the most expensive sedans ever produced, and that figure can rise significantly depending on bespoke customizations. Many owners choose personalized paint finishes, custom interiors, unique embroidery, and even one-of-one design elements, pushing the final cost much higher. For buyers in this segment, price is not a limitation but an opportunity to create something truly unique. In conclusion, the Rolls-Royce Phantom VII remains a benchmark for automotive luxury even in 2026. It is not designed to compete with other cars but to exist above them. From its commanding exterior to its handcrafted interior, from its whisper-quiet V12 performance to its unmatched ride comfort, the Phantom delivers an experience that very few vehicles in history can match. This is not a car you simply drive, it is a car you experience, a moving sanctuary designed to make every journey feel extraordinary. If you enjoyed this deep dive luxury review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Rev Review, because we bring you the world's most incredible machines, one legendary vehicle at a time.